If you don't want to spend £450 on a set of Tesla official roof bars, there are cheaper alternatives out there, like these from EVBase.com, which are currently £214, but wait, use my discount code of TJ at checkout and you'll get 20% off everything on their website, as well as these Tesla Model Y roof bars, which make them just £171. But are they any good, and how easy are they to install? After all, you don't want to crack this lovely glass roof, do you? Let me show you. Welcome to Tesla Jigsaw. Right, hello. Today we're going to fit these roof bars, and these are all the components that come with it. You've got some keys, an Allen key, whatever this thing is, and these 4 J-bolts, these rubber bits that go in between the glass and the bars when we attach them, and some caps and some nuts as well. So the first thing we need to do is take one of these. We need to find the first place to insert our J-bolt. So all new Teslas now come with a little arrow on the top here and some guidance lines so you know where they're going to go. But you just need to lift up this little rubber seal here and go across until you've got a gap. And then you insert your J-bolt, and if you wiggle it left and right, you'll know it can't go anywhere. And obviously you don't want this thing pushing up against the glass and then tying it because it will smash your glass. So you can sort of start at the end again and work your way across until you find it, which is there. There we go. In line with the arrow, sitting in the middle point, I can feel that's touching metal. So you may notice that the car's not quite as clean as I would have liked it to have been, but yesterday went to the car wash, cleaned it all thoroughly, recorded this entire video, and then realised I forgot to turn my microphone on. So unless you were going to be very good at lip reading, I thought I'd best record it all again. And then the final one, yeah, there we go. And then next we've got to put on these, and they come with a handy little guidance chart on here, look, of a car with the little arrow pointing towards the front of the car and which corner of the car we are corresponding to when putting it on top of this J-bolt. So that goes on there. Just try and get that nicely in the middle. Got a bit of wiggle room either side. That's perfect. And the back one, which is just a little bit thicker, the arrow is going that way. This is the back right one. To the bars, the smaller of the two is the rear one. You'll notice it's got a thicker front and a skinnier back. It's like an aeroplane wing, you see. It gives it more aerodynamics. That's the reason for that. And all you do is pop it over there, into the hole, pop it under here. There we go. And just again, make sure it's centered there. Make sure your bolt's got a bit of wiggle room. That's it. Here it goes. Perfect. I'd recommend hand tightening all these first of all before you use any tools or anything. Oh, but you notice these bottom bits here, you've got a gap there and there. Once it is tight, you want one of those pointing forwards into this little channel here. That will allow you to be able to lock it into place so it can't move anywhere. I did notice that these J-bolts don't protrude up so much from the back. I guess it's because these are thicker. I don't know whether they could do with being a bit taller, but there's plenty of thread for it to catch on to. So obviously the Model Y has got an incredible amount of space and storage in it in the first place, but you know, roof bars will give you the ability to stick an extra roof box on top, put a bike rack. We actually put a mattress on here the other day to be able to tie it to something, so it is quite useful to keep, and yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. But saying that, the back of this car is so big, I mean, I can put 2 adult-sized bikes in the rear. Once you put the rear seats down, obviously just take a wheel off one of them. So, you know, there's so much storage already. I'm not too sure whether we're going to need a roof box particularly for this car, but the option's always there, isn't it, when you've got some roof bars? A little weird plastic spannery type object. You just now tighten these and, you know, give you an all-time tip. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Now again, you don't want to over tighten this. I mean, you could use a torque wrench if you wanted to get it particularly right, but you just need to get it to a half decent tightness and then line these up, as I said, to be like that. Although you can't see under there, that'll allow me to use the keys and lock it into place. It does also come with an Allen key, but obviously you can't get the Allen key in once this bolt is protruding through. And when I turn it, look, absolutely nothing happens. Oh, I thought there's meant to be a thing that comes up there. Yes, it has locked it into place. I'll just check if that's locked. Yes, that's locked in place, so that's good. That'll stop anyone from being able to nick it, I suppose, and it'll stop these moving at all. So it ain't going to go anywhere. It's rock solid. And then lastly, these covers that we just pop on, and just clip into place like that. I'm going to go for that one. Looks like it goes on there. Yeah, there we go. So what do you think of the look of it? I think it looks pretty cool myself. So yeah, I put these on a couple of times now, just taking them off, put them on, just to make sure everything works okay. And yeah, they fit like a glove. I do also have a pair of Model 3 versions of these that I used to use on my old car, and it's very similar. Can't really tell the difference at all between the Tesla version and these ones, but yeah. Yes, there we go. I think they look all right. They're nice and easy to pop on. Excuse me, that's been done in about 5 minutes, so nice and easy to fit. I can't find fault with these roof bars from EVBase at all. All components seem great quality, and they look just like the official Tesla roof bars, but way less than half the price. So if you want some, head on over to EVBase and use my discount code TJ for 20% off these and every product at EVBase. I'm Will, this is the Tesla Jigsaw. Thank you, patrons. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.